Making inferences. Read the paragraph, answer the questions. You've heard of recycling, but do you know about free cycling? When you free cycle, you give away things you no longer want or need. Free cyclers can also acquire things that someone else is getting rid of. Lists of things available for free cycling and lists of things wanted by free cyclers are posted on websites. People who sign up and find just what they want then arrange to pick up the items. Some popular items for free cyclers are bicycles, exercise equipment, furniture, and computer parts. Fill in the correct circle to show whether each statement is a fact or an inference. Please refer back to the passage. This says fact. This says inference. Free cycling is handy if you are cleaning a garage. Is that a fact or an inference? You could furnish a room from free cycled things. Is that a fact or an inference? Computer parts are favorite recycled items. Is that a fact or an inference? It's easiest to free cycle with people who are nearby. Is that a fact or an inference? Write yes or no under each heading on the chart to show if the word describes free cycling. Costly, dishonest, useful. Again, write yes or no under each heading on the chart to show if the word describes free cycling. Costly, dishonest, useful.